Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and another art journal page. I'm trying to fill up this art journal. I've had it for quite a while now, but I'm using all those scraps that I mentioned in a previous video. If you haven't seen that one, I will link it in the description box below. I want to call these my Crash the Stash video art journal pages because that's kind of what I'm trying to do. Like Sean Petit, use up all these bits of paper that I have lying around, just taking up space. I don't make you watch all the gluing though. See, there we go. And that's what I have left. Just quick shot of that envelope, still full. It doesn't look like I took anything out of there, but I did. Anyway, this one I'm attempting to make it so you can see more of the background this time, unlike the last one, which is the tree one, if you haven't seen it. I really go to town with paint on that one. This one, unfortunately, I have to say, I still cover it up quite a bit because I love to play with paint and can't help myself apparently. So this one has a lot of doodling on it. I actually really like how this one turns out. Makes me happy. I'll play some music and I'll let you watch for a little while. I'll, as always, interject every once in a while if I think there's something to say. So these things, these pens, say they're acrylic paint pens, but I learned on a previous project that they blend with water. Now, granted, these are still wet while I'm doing this, but on my previous project, they actually kind of reactivated, so I don't know if I had so much it wasn't quite dry yet. I'm going to have to really give them a true test, but yeah, I got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use them to color my flowers. Okay, once I get that done, then I decide to colorize the background. The paint I'm using, it looks really blue on screen, but it's Phthalo Turquoise by Daler-Rowney. My sister bought it for me for my birthday at Walmart, and it's such a pretty turquoise color. I'm sad that it looks blue. I mean, I love blue, and I still like how this looks. Maybe in the pictures at the end you'll see that it's turquoise. I guess we'll find out, won't we? So once I get this part done, where I darken around the edges of things, I decide the background's not interesting enough. So I go ahead and fill it with more doodling. And then I decide I need to add a word or a quote, so I add a word just for fun. And since I doodled a bunch of flowers, might as well put bloom. So I just think filling that whole thing up with all that floral doodle just makes it so much better. What do you think? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment. Love to hear your comments. I try to respond to everybody's comments. And of course, if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications when I do my next upload. Thanks for watching.